today we will cover chords in the key of B major. So there are again 6 chords as we have covered in the family of A major. So in the B major also there are 6 chords. So the first chord is B major. So this is B major chord. So we have to use 2nd fret and 4th fret. So in the 4th fret you have to press 2nd string, 3rd string and 4th string, and from your index finger you have to press 1st string in the 2nd fret. So this is your B major chord. And from right hand you have to play only these 4 strings: 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st. The first strings will start from the down one. Okay, the down one is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. So this is B major. So the second chord is E major. So this chord we have covered in the family of A major also. So this is E major chord. So you have to press 4th string in the 3rd string in the 1st fret and 4th and 5th string in the 2nd fret. So this is E major chord. Now the third chord is F sharp. This chord is little difficult. So you have to just drag it. इसको यहाँ से खिसकाना है आपको in the 4th fret. So this is F sharp. So for F sharp you have to use all your 4 fingers. So in the 2nd fret you have to press these 2 strings like this. In the 2nd fret you have to press these 2 strings. 3rd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th and 5th string. So this is F sharp major. This is F sharp major. You can play it like this also. You can play it like bar chord. This is bar chord, F sharp bar chord. Bar chords are those chords in which we will press all the 6 strings. So this is F sharp. This is also F sharp. So we'll start from the beginning again. This is B chord. So in the key of B or in the family of B major, the second chord is E major that we have covered in the family of A. Now the third chord is F sharp. This is F sharp chord. Now the fourth chord is G sharp minor. This is G sharp minor. So G sharp minor, now you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have to use 4th fret and 6th fret. And in the 5th fret, don't press any strings, okay? So in the 4th fret, you have to press 1, 2, 3 strings, together you have to press these 3 strings like this, or you can press the whole strings. You can press all the 6 strings like this. So in the 4th fret, you have to press 3 strings or you have to press 6 strings, okay? Which is comfortable. So 3 strings like this, and 5th fret no strings. 6th fret you have to press 4th and 5th strings. So this is G sharp minor, or G sharp minor you can play like this also, okay? This is G sharp minor, this is also G sharp minor. Now the 5th chord is C sharp minor. C sharp minor we have covered in the family of A major also. So this is C sharp minor. Again you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to play in the 4th, 5th and 6th fret. 4th fret 1st string, 5th fret 2nd string and 6th fret 3rd and 4th string. So this is C sharp minor. And the last chord is D sharp minor. So this is D sharp minor, this is C sharp minor in the 4th, 5th and 6th fret. Now D sharp minor we will play in the 6th, 7th and 8th fret. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and 8th fret. Same position, C sharp minor, and this is D sharp minor. So again we'll start from the first chord, that is B major chord. Now we are covering chords in the key of B major. So this is B major chord. This is E major chord. This is F sharp. This is F sharp major. This is G sharp minor. You can play it like this or you can play it like this. The 5th chord is C sharp minor. You can play it like this also and like this also. And the last chord is D sharp minor. So this is D sharp minor.